On top with tori for today, Presido Buhari don commission 628 cadets as im tell police say make dem put body well for dem work. Tori wey dey reach us for Live Media na say Naija Presido Muhammadu Buhari don commission 628 cadets for Naija Police Force as e tell dem say make dem put body well for the work wey dem dey do on top security matter for the country. Dem return under Naija Police Force Academy for 1988 make e for help give better knowledge than na brain matter on top how dem go serve Naija well. And the Naija Police Academy don dey deliver this work well as dem dey produce better police wey sabi their work. Presido Buhari commission 628 cadets for regular course 2, the one wey dey Naija Police Academy wey dey Wudil, as im be special guest of honour for the occasion. Ogbonge pipo wey go dis ceremony na Governor Abdullahi Umaru Ganduje, ogbonge traditional rulers for Kano State and other people for the state. The police officers don come turn ASP as dem don train them with better knowledge and skill wey dem go take do police work well for the country. Presido Buhari salute the police academy unto the better training wey dem don give the next generation for senior police officers dem. E come tell the new ASP officers unto wetin im administration plan be on top how dem wan take solve security katakata wey the country be dey face.
As you attain this milestone, I implore you to operate professionally, gallantly, and courageously as we continue to make Nigeria a safe and secure country for all law-abiding citizens.
E tok say federal government go continue to dey support Naija Police Force with money and other things dem, the one wey go make their work waka go well, wey go smooth for the country.
You must always remember that Nigeria, and indeed Nigerians, have entrusted to you the assignment to protect their lives and properties. This trust must be taken very seriously while upholding the principle of civil policing, leveraging national and international best practice.
Commandant Police Academy wey be Assistant Inspector General of Police Zana Ibrahim, e come tell the new ASP say as dem don train dem well, make themselves ready train themselves, as this one go help dem fit waka well on top the training wey dem don give dem to fit do police work well for the country.
In the discharge of your duties, always endeavor to prepare for the worst but hope for the best. That is why it is important for you to devote your time and energy to the promotion of public order and security. I encourage you to be selfless, to put your energy, your faith, your talents, and your time into each opportunity that comes your way.
E come tell President Muhammadu Buhari say make e help dem put mouth for Police Academy bill, the one wey dem be submit give National Assembly, as the bill go help the academy dem do their work well. For the passing out ceremony, President Muhammadu Buhari come present Sword of Honour, as e knack this one give the best graduating cadet officer, Assistant Superintendent of Police, Peter Alogo Joseph. President Muhammadu Buhari still decorate graduating officer Lawal Yu Abdullahi, as he use this one take commission 628 cadet officers enter ASP position for police force. Na here the tori waka reach on top with tori for today, as Naija Presido Muhammadu Buhari don commission 628 cadets for Naija Police Force, as this one go help security matter for the country make e waka well unto how Naija people life go take dey. Make una come sabi say this ogbonge tori wey we na give una, so na Live Media na im carry am come give una. And to continue to dey get this ogbonge and sharp informate, make una no forget to like, comment and subscribe for our YouTube channel for Live Media TV. Now fit still follow us waka enter Facebook, Instagram and Twitter for Live Media. And our website sidon gidigba put for www.tlivemedia.com.